excitement in Jakarta. Invasion 2015 Electric Dance Festival, Saturday, September 26th at Hall A, Jakarta International Expo, Kemayoran. With the headliners, Alesso, Dash Berlin, with additional lineups, Ale Mora, Mr. Belt and Weasel. And also local DJ supports. Tickets are available online at locket.com and rajakartis.com. Also at X2 Club Jakarta and XKTV. For more information, please visit www.invasionjakarta.com and follow Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram Invasion Jakarta. Promoted by Euphorix and supported by Prambors Radio Hits Terbaik Dunia.
Sekarang kamu lagi dengerin Desta and Gina in the morning, only on Prambors.